Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming the first empties for 2022, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. So I have the bag in my lap in here and we are gonna just take random items. First of all, I didn't film this look, but I will list down below everything that I have on my face. And the first thing that I'm gonna declutter / throw away are these lashes. These are the giant ones from Lunar Beauty. They are the style Nova, and this is the packaging. I'm gonna keep the packaging because I really like it. It's very luxe and beautiful, and I put in here the Cupio lashes that I want to use a bit more, and I'm gonna throw away these lashes with the Cupio packaging. Great lashes. Lunar Beauty has awesome quality lashes, but I did use them a bunch of times and they are very long, so I think that's enough for them. Another thing that I finished is the Schwarzkopf Gliss Fiber Therapy. It's a leave-in conditioner and it's a spray. I think I finished like 3 bottles similar to this one, the same brand but different colors and stuff like that. They are great. I really love them. It is really helpful to detangle my hair, so I will repurchase this one in the future, but now I want to finish another one and I bought the Olaplex one just to try it out. I did finish another dry shampoo and this one is the Batiste Wildflower scent, and I love Batiste dry shampoos. I already bought another 2, I think, but I want to try maybe other brand as well, but I will forever have one of these in my collection because they are great. Another thing that I finished is the Tutti Frutti Papaya and Tamarillo Sugar Body Scrub. You know that I love these body scrubs and I already repurchased 2 of them, so yeah. The next thing is the Nivea hand cream, and I don't love this one because I have very sensitive hands. I use this one up by using on my arms and on my legs because I have very sensitive skin on my hands and it's very dry in the winter, and this product didn't help with that. I need to apply on my hands maybe aloe vera or the Cerave lotion that I'm using on my face as well, because yeah, my hands are very particular with the creams, so yeah, this one was not great for me. Then I finished another Garnier Biphase Micellar water. This is my favorite. I love it. I have another one and I will again forever repurchase it. Then I finally finished the Mischa SPF, and this one has 45 SPF. This product is just great. It's very hydrating and it sits on the skin very nice, but it's not my favorite SPF because it's not the perfect base for makeup, but I did use this when I was not wearing makeup and it was perfect, and even with makeup it could work, but it's not a great base, but it's a great SPF. Then I did finish up this jewelry care kit, and this is from Pandora, and it was really great. It's just a solution to clean your jewelry, and I did repurchase this because it was really great. All my jewelry is silver because I can't wear any other metals. Of course I can wear gold, but I much prefer silver, and I did clean all of my earrings and my necklaces and everything with this product, and it was really great. It really gave my jewelry some shine, so I really like it. The next thing, I finished a Cerave Moisturizing Lotion. I have this in a bit bigger bottle. I do love it. It's just a mini, and at the same time I got this one, is the Cerave Hydrating Cleanser. I do have this one in a bigger bottle and I love it. Then I finished a shower gel, and this one is Natural Honey, I think it's the brand, and then it is in another language but it's with argan oil, and I didn't really like this shower gel. It was just very basic, not very foaming, not very hydrating. It was like a 5. It was okay, but I'm not in love. Then I finished another Dove deodorant. You know that this is my go-to. Then I have a sponge in here. This is the Mousse sponge that I just repurchase and repurchase again and again. I love these sponges. They are my favorite. I'm using one right now. I love them. They are great. Then I finished Chantecaille. I hope I'm pronouncing that decently at least. And this is an active exfoliant. It's just small bottle that I got from a friend, I think. This was okay, it was a toner, so it's not necessary. This is, I'm sure, very, very expensive, so I'm not gonna repurchase this, but it was okay. Next I finished a lip balm. This is the Yves Rocher lip balm, and it's in the vanilla scent flavor. I'm not eating this, but you understand. This is okay, I think it's decent, but I don't like this kind of lip balms. I just prefer using lip glosses or something like that as a lip balm, so I'm not gonna repurchase it. Next is a product that I'm gonna declutter, and is the Himalaya Acne and Pimple Cream. I am just laughing because I tried to pronounce Himalaya like 10 times and it wasn't working. Anyway, this I'm gonna declutter because I don't really like it. It's just a cream for your pimples, but I don't know, the cream is not staying on my face. It's just a normal cream, and then it's drying out, and when it's drying out, it's falling off my face, so that's not great. This, I think it's expired as well, and I just love the Mario Badescu drying lotion a ton more, so I will declutter this and I'm gonna not repurchase it. Another product that I just love is the Ordinary Niacinamide. I'm using this every day, and this is the bigger bottle, and I just already repurchased it. Another product that I finished is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, and this is my favorite brow gel, so I already repurchased it, and this is just great. Then I finished the Rare Beauty Mascara. This is a mini, and it's the Volumizing Mascara. I love this so much. I think it's my favorite mascara, but I have other two right now, but I will repurchase this mascara. This is just perfection, and I love it so much. I will for sure repurchase it after I'm done with the other two. I did finish another perfume. This is a mini, is the Dolce Gabbana, the only one, and this one smells sweet like all my perfumes, but I really like it. I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase it. I'm on a low buy for perfumes, and yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna repurchase it, but maybe at some point I will buy the bigger bottle, who knows, but I do like it. The next product that I'm gonna declutter is the NYX White Liquid Liner. This is not great. I think I use it like 1 or 2 times, but it's very dry and it's skippy and it's crusty. I really don't like it. I think I'm gonna put it maybe in the video with products that I don't like, because this is no. Okay, let's continue with more NYX products. This is the NYX Glide On Lip Pencil, and this is the shade Red Tape, and I love this formula, it's great, but the pencil, I think it's kind of old. It smells weird, and I did use it in a video, I think, and it did sting my lips, so I'm not putting this on my lips anymore. I did buy another red lip liner from NYX, but it's not this formula. But yeah, I love NYX lip pencils, but this one was old. And then we have the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I do love this eyeliner, it's just great. I have the black shade, and this is waterproof, it's really great. But now I think it's dethroned by the Physicians Formula one. That one, it's just a tiny bit better, but if you have easy access to this one is just amazing as well. But it's old, so I'm gonna declutter it. And then I finish my favorite brow pencil. This is the NYX Eyebrow Powder Pencil, and I have the shade Taupe. And of course, I did repurchase this one already. This is great, I love it so much. I like that it's a bit more stiff than other lip pencils. And yeah. Then I finished 2 nail polishes. They are both from Melchior. This is the shade Ever Beige. This is my favorite shade. I just bought it in a bigger bottle, and I have a smaller one as well. This is great, it's this nude color. And then I finished the top coat from Melchior as well. This is really good, I really like it, but this is the normal top coat. They have a UV top coat as well. I don't really like that one, but the basic one, it's great. I did finish this Rare Beauty mini lip balm, and this is the shade Nearly Neutral. This is okay, but I don't really love it because it smells kind of weird. Then I have some empty packaging. This is the Ofra highlighter, and this was Pillow Talk, and I put this highlighter in my Kaleidos packaging, and the Kaleidos highlighter I put it in my singles because I much prefer it as a single eyeshadow than highlighter. And then I have the ColourPop Mint For You shade, is the Super Shock Shadow, and I like this one, is in my singles as well. And then I depotted the It's My Pleasure palette from ColourPop as well, and I put them in my singles, and I think I'm gonna use them more if they are in my singles collection. And then I have two brushes that I'm gonna declutter. This is the BH number 7 from the Zodiac collection. I do like the set, but this brush is losing hairs very easily, so it needs to be decluttered. And this one as well, it's a very, very old brush, but it is from BH Cosmetics as well, and it's losing hairs as well, and it's losing the shape, so it's not that great anymore, and I'm gonna declutter it. And the last product that I'm gonna declutter, and I'm so happy to get rid of this horrible product, is the Avene High Protection Compact SPF 50. This is supposed to be a foundation, I think. This is horrible. I mean, it's very cakey, and this is the lightest shade that they had, and it's way too dark for me. And I tried to use it as a bronzer, but it's so cakey and so horrible, and it's, oh my god. So I'm very happy to get rid of this product. Okay, so these are all the products from my empty/declutter bag. And yeah, so if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.